Our hosts were keen to show me just how safe I was. Each panel of the walkway has 3 layers of toughened glass held together by glue.
Well, the President has given me a hammer and said that even if I can get through all 3 layers of glass, I won't fall through. He's also said that I will be the toughest man in the world if I can get through this lot. So this is how they're going to assuage people's fears of glass bridges. Here goes.
Yes.
And it looks like you can see the top glass has shattered here.
7, 3,
We're okay. Oh.
That's it?
Do you know what? I think this might be safe.
2, 1